what is supposed to be a coincidence?
Or maybe you're just dense.
Don't tell me. You know why you have to get some material for your project too?
That's my business. That's the business with me, get material for house. The last time you check, I body you, They must sell that over here.
I realize say you make an effort to outbeat me. And everything will go off for.
I tell you, stick to what you know. Funeral home, dead body.
Don't worry yourself. You're gonna need me one day.
Worried? Never. Man, you're gonna need yourself first.
See, you send your little minion up a top hill. And my place that.
Really? Your place? Oh, so you name Top Hill? We see about that.
Tell Sullivan say, me say, be careful how him a trod up there. Because he might go up and never come back.
Let me tell you something. Don't take another step. Listen to this cool boy. It's not a little war then when you go overseas to fight. You see me? Yes, so the rules of engagement different.
Alright, boss. Big up yourself. Hope you get all of the material. You're gonna need it.
Give you a message for the one right there. Make him know say me a big man. Me don't play games. So you and him, you can go build a little dolly house.
Sound like them little spoiled pitney there. When them not get them way, them pick up them ball and go home.
Well, hear this. A 17 hard ball na this. So better you go on.
See, you love weapons. You have a hole in the gate, yeah?
Okay, so I was summoned. What's the deal?
A very strange coincidence today. Went for lunch at Willie's and ran into Mr. Wallace.
Really? And this wasn't one of your secret tag-alongs?
No, Pops. I'm working strictly by orders. Whisper is the one that's on him, so I'm leaving that alone.
So what was his reaction? Was he coming or going?
It seemed like he had already had lunch, so he was leaving.
So you get him on heartburn.
No, Pops.
You can bet nothing can convince him that that was coincidence. So as far as he's concerned, he's under surveillance.
I was thinking the same thing.
You know what this means? We have to pull Whisper off him immediately. Because he's going to be looking over his shoulder like a large man.
Alright, Pops. I'll alert Whisper immediately.
What has he gotten for us so far?
I would say a lot in Pops. Because now we have proof that Radcliffe is playing two ends against the middle.
Just as I suspected. But we have a bigger problem now. Because Radcliffe seems not only to have inherited his father's ruthlessness, seems to have gotten his mother's brains. That makes him a very formidable opponent. You can't take him for granted.
You know, there was a meeting with Radcliffe and Tony at Top Hill.
Interesting. Isn't that where the government is about to open a contract for low-income housing?
They have already opened that contract, Pops. Radcliffe is the investor. He now is just finding a good contractor to work with.
So now we have Tony and Carlton vying for it.